Hello everyone. Welcome to another module of business mathematics. We were discussing about interest. We have already done simple interest. Couple of sums is what I shown you how to do. Today I am going to start with another sum for simple interest, and thereafter I'll take you to the compound interest. So this sum states that a sum of money amounts to rupees 920. A sum of rupees 800 amounts to rupees 920 in 3 years at simple interest. So what is the rate of simple interest is not given to us. We need to find out. We are given principal 800 rupees. Then we are given amount 920 and the time given is 3 years. We need to calculate the simple rate of interest from here. And then there's a second part of the question which says if the rate of interest is increased by 3%, then what will be the amount in the same time, that is in 3 years. So I'll show you. We are given with P, that is principal, is rupees 800. We are also given A, which is 920. So we know that simple interest is equal to A minus P, which is equal to rupees 920 minus 800. So that way we will be getting simple interest as 120 rupees. Okay. Also we are given time is 3 years. Rate we don't know, so we will be calculating that rate. So since we know simple interest is equal to P R T by 100. So we'll be putting the values. Simple interest we have calculated is 120. Principal is 800. Rate is not known to us, so that's R. And T is 3 divided by 100. So from here we can do the calculation. So 120 into 100 divided by 800 into 3. This will be your rate of interest. We can do the calculations. Zeros and zeros can be cancelled, and 3 and 120 can be cancelled. We'll get 40. 40 and 8 can be cancelled. So we'll get 5. Therefore, rate of interest is 5%. So a sum of money, sum of rupees 800 will become 920 in 3 years at the rate of 5%. So we did our first part. Now coming to the second part, if the rate of interest increases by 3%, earlier it was 5%. Now if it gets increases by another 3%, so the new rate of interest will be 8%. So again, if R is 8%, so that is what it is stated in the question, and then P will remain the same, which is rupees 800. In this case, T will also be the same, which is 3 years, and we are asked to find out the amount, that is question mark. So principal remains same, 800, time remains same, 3 years, rate will change from 5 to 8%, and we are asked to find out the amount. So we'll apply the formula. First we'll find SI, that will be 800 into 8 into 3 divided by 100. Okay. So we'll get 64 into 3, that is 192. So that's the simple interest. Now we have to find out the amount. Therefore, amount will be P plus SI, which is 800 plus 192. So finally, we will be getting 992 rupees if the rate of interest increases by 3%. So what is important is we need to remember this very formula SI. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. And also the other one, which is amount, is equal to principal plus simple interest. So these are the two sums through which you can put the given information, as well as we can calculate and find out whatever we are asked to find out.